In this video, I'll show you how to rename a folder inside GitHub without forking. Renaming a folder directly on GitHub works a little differently from renaming a normal file on your computer. GitHub does not have a simple rename folder button because folders in Git are created based on the file paths inside the repository. So, to rename a folder, you need to rename the paths of the files inside that folder. First, open GitHub in your browser and go to the repository where the folder is located. Make sure you have permission to edit the repository. If you do not have write access, you will not be able to rename the folder directly without creating a fork. Next, open the folder you want to rename. Click on one of the files inside the folder, then click the pencil icon to edit the file. At the top of the editor, you will see the file path. It may look something like old-folder/file-name.js. Click inside the path and replace the old folder name with the new folder name. For example, change old-folder/file-name.js to new-folder/file-name.js. After that, scroll down to the commit section. Add a clear commit message such as rename folder. Then choose whether to commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch, depending on your workflow. Repeat the same process for every file inside the old folder. Once all files have been moved to the new folder path, the old folder will disappear automatically from GitHub. If the folder contains many files, it is usually faster to rename it locally on your computer using Git, then commit and push the change back to GitHub. And that's how you rename a folder inside GitHub without forking, as long as you have edit access to the repository. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.